Young Muslim professionals hold sit-in urging Kashmiri Hindu migrants to return back to Valley. Young Muslim professionals of non-profit Reason in Kashmir on Saturday held a sit-in at Srinagar urging Kashmiri Hindu migrants to return back to the Valley. Holding placards and banners, the young professionals gathered at city's Pratap Park to show solidarity with the Kashmiri Hindu migrants who left the region following the revolt against Indian rule 2 decades back.
That although there are lots of government schemes to resettle the Kashmiri Pandits back in the valley, but there are hardly any takers. Nobody is really coming back. So we're trying to identify, why exactly is this thing happening. And our understanding is that there has to be some solidarity shown on this side as well, so that Kashmiri Pandits feel safe enough and they feel welcome enough to come back.
Meanwhile, the locals of the valley also shared the same opinion.
शुरू में तो हम ये चाह रहे हैं वो आने चाहिए, हम हमारे भाई हैं, बहुत पहले से वो यहाँ से चले गए हैं और कह रहे हैं हम बेखौफ वो आ सकते हैं, बैठ सकते हैं, कश्मीर से लुत्फ़अंदाज़ हो सकते हैं, उनकी अपनी जायदाद यहाँ पर है, वो यहाँ पर आराम से आकर रह सकते हैं.
Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh had announced assistance of 750,000 rupees to Kashmiri Pandit migrant families who had to sell their property in distress and wanted to return to the valley. Purnima with Ritu for Rehnai.